In question number 6 now, children, they are saying find the area enclosed between parabola y square is equal to 4ax and line y is equal to mx. So the figure will come out to be like y is equal to 4ax is a right opening parabola and y is equal to mx would be a line passing through origin again, no constant term, and फिर हम दोनों का intersection निकाल लेते हैं, solving them simultaneously. Okay, solving them simultaneously. Y was mx, so y square m square x square is equal to 4ax. Taking to one side, taking x common, you get either x0 or x is equal to 4a upon m square. Finding corresponding y from one of the equations. Okay, so you get your y as 0 or upon m, so that is 4a upon m. So the points of intersection of these two curves, one is 0, 0 origin and another one is 4a upon m square, 4a upon m. Now throughout you see kya tha question, area between the curve and the line. So this clearly is the area between curve and the line. ये वाला आप लोगे नहीं क्योंकि ये तो bounded ही नहीं है, ये तो this is going up to infinity. Okay, so we won't bother about this. Bounding यहाँ पे हुई है line and curve के बीच में. So consider your rectangles out here of width dx. अभी आप कहाँ से move करोगे, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. यहाँ पे x is 0 and यहाँ पहुँच के x is 4a by m square. So therefore okay, this is only till point of intersection, then here. Therefore, the required area would be, the limits of integration are coming out to be from 0 to 4a upon m square and y of parabola minus y of line. Okay, so कुछ ऐसा curve आया था हमारा, right? So parabola से line तक आ रहा है हमारा length of the rectangle, parabola to line. So y of parabola से y of line, lower curve minus हो जाता है. Okay, upper curve minus lower curve, ऐसा कुछ आता है, right? So therefore parabola का y है under root of 4ax, line का था mx. Put the values, ये 4a का 2 root a बाहर आ गया and x to the power of half का integration is x to the power of 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 and the limits were 4a upon m square to 0. Then 2 2s are 4 upon 3a, this and this gets multiplied, that much is your scalar. Substitute कर दो limit, x की जगह 4a upon m square to the power of 3 by 2, carry this to all. So 4 can be written as 3 square क्योंकि ये square and half फिर cancel होने वाले हैं, तो ये 4 को हमने 2 square लिख दिया है. a to the power of 3 by 2, m square to the power of 3 by 2, again 2 and 2 will get cancelled, तो m cube बच जाएगा. Okay, lower limit तो 0 था, तो this will become 0 only. Then minus of m by 2, इतना स्केलर पार्ट था हमारा, ये हमने अलग कर दिया है. In place of x you put the value now, 4a upon m square and lower limit 0 था, 0 ही हो गया. Okay, so इसको करोगे, 4 square is 16, a square m to the power of 4. So one of your m is getting cancelled, 2 is cancelling, 16 8 times, so 8a square upon m cube. यहाँ से बच रहा है. Likewise यहाँ से करो तो ये आपका 2 cube 8, 4 8 is 32 upon 3 and a 3 by 2 plus half, that becomes a to the power of 4 by 2, that is a square upon, same आ गए आपके a square में upon m cube, a square upon m cube. So 32 upon 3 minus 8, that gives you 8 by 3 and that's your answer. Okay, so that was your 6th one. 7th one is find the area enclosed between this parabola and the line. We've done these type of questions in the first exercise beta. Okay, area between parabola and line. तो आपको पहले इनका point of intersection निकालना है. Solve them simultaneously. Find the point of intersection. Then see ये कैसी है. This is again an upward opening parabola. Okay, ये line आपका उसका ही आएगा ऐसे थोड़ा ऊपर. Yesterday also we had done a similar question if you remember कि upward opening parabola थी and वो ऐसे line cut कर रहा था. So you can check, put x is 0, y is 0 and find the points of intersection of this line, and also maybe you can solve these two simultaneously straight away and find the intersection of the line with the parabola. That would be more better because हमको limits वहीं से मिलेंगी. Okay, so try this question children. In the last exercise we've already done a similar question, so that is again a task for you. Then 8th one is you have to find the area of the smaller region bounded by ellipse and this particular line. Okay, fine. So that ellipse equation would look like x square upon 3 square बना दिया 9 को, 2 square. So match up with standard form so that we know this is an ellipse having its vertices at 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. Then यहाँ पर 0, 2 and 0, minus 2. But बाकी मैंने mention नहीं किया क्योंकि हमारा interest इसमें ही था. So we know this point. These are the vertices of your, this is a standard ellipse having center at 0, 0 and vertices according to A and B we decide. राइट. देन दूसरा उसने ये लाइन दिया था, ये इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म ऑफ लाइन है सी. ओके, दिस इज अ लाइन कटिंग इंटरसेप्ट 3 on x axis and 2 on y axis. So 3,0 and 0,2 will be points on this line as well. तो हमको यहीं से सीधे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन भी मिल गया. इक्वेशन से ये अंदाजा जा रहा है कि इनका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन यही वर्टिसेस पर होगा. राइट, तो उसको अलग से सॉल्व भी नहीं किया है. नाउ लुकिंग एट द कर्व, इट वाज द एरिया बिटवीन द एलिप्स एंड द लाइन बट द स्मॉलर पोर्शन. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो एलिप्स और लाइन के बीच का एरिया, बट ये बिगर पोर्शन है. स्मॉलर पोर्शन ये है जो कि हमारे क्वेश्चन में था. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम रेक्टेंगल बना लेंगे. अगेन डी एक्स मूविंग फ्रॉम, यहाँ पर x 0 था टिल x 3 हो गया. सो लिमिट्स 0 to 3 एंड अबव कर्व इज योर एलिप्स माइनस लोअर कर्व इज योर लाइन. ओके, तो एलिप्स के अकॉर्डिंग ये है इक्वेशन. यहाँ से आप अपना y निकाल लो. y इज कमिंग एज 2/3 अंडर रूट ऑफ 9 - x स्क्वायर. एंड लाइकवाइज ये लाइन के इक्वेशन से भी अपना y निकाल लो. सो इट विल कम एज दिस. Now integration I have left for you all. You know how to integrate these kind of functions. Get the integral, put the limits and get your answer. Okay. Now children, ninth one is also exactly the same. यहाँ पे आपके numbers given थे 9, 4, that is actually 3 square, 2 square and 3 and 2. यहाँ पे उसने variable दे रखे हैं a, b and a square, b square. तो exactly same kind का figure आएगा, only numbers की जगह आप variable लिखोगे and answer में भी variable आ जाएगा. Right? 10th question is again children a parabola and a line. Again we've done so many questions of this kind. Okay, again an upward opening parabola and the line. तो आपको check करना पड़ेगा line parabola को कहाँ कहाँ पे intersect कर रही है. फिर line minus parabola, ऐसा आपका limit चलेगा, ऐसा आपका y चलेगा and limit will be decided according to the point of intersection. So try till 10th at least for today. Then remaining exercise I will finish off tomorrow.